Noah was now 600 years old. The flood started on the 7th day of the 2nd month of that year. That day, the underground springs split open, and the clouds in the sky poured out rain. The rain fell on the earth for 40 days and 40 nights. The water flooded the earth. As the waters rose, it lifted the boat off the ground. The water continued to rise, and the boat floated on the water above the earth. The water rose so much that even the highest mountains under the sky were covered by it. The water continued to rise until it was more than 20 feet above the mountains, and all living things that moved on the earth died. All that was left was Noah and what was with him in the boat. And the waters continued to cover the earth for 150 days. But God remembered Noah and all the wild animals and tame animals with him in the boat. God made a wind blow over the earth, and the waters went down. The underground springs stopped flowing, and the clouds in the sky stopped pouring down rain. After 150 days, the water had gone down so much that the boat touched land again. It came to rest on one of the mountains of Ararat. The water continued to go down. By the first day of the 10th month, the tops of the mountains could be seen. 40 days later, Noah opened the window he had made in the boat. He sent out a raven, and it flew in here and there until the water had dried up from the earth. Then Noah sent out a dove. This was to find out if the water had dried up. But the dove could not find a place to land because the water still covered the earth. So it came back to the boat, and Noah reached out his hand and took it back into the ark. After 7 days, Noah sent out the dove from the boat again. That evening, it came back to him with a fresh olive leaf in its mouth. So Noah knew that the ground was almost dry. Seven days later, he sent the dove out again. But this time, it did not come back.